Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and hope you all are doing well. And let's jump into the today's topic. So today's topic is more like an interesting scenario, I can say, which is one of the scenario which is most common whenever you are working on a sales domain. Okay, and this will help you in uh, in such a way that you can implement the same whenever you are working on any kind of domain, right? So let's see that like what is the issue statement today, and we see how to resolve that. Okay, so before jumping into the everything, let me introduce to the data model first for you. So here is very three tables model for me, very simple models. Okay, product, the date, and the sales, a very unidirectional model. So product is joining with the product ID and the date, which is the continuous date range, which is just connecting to the sales date. Okay. So my requirement is something like, and even I created a total sales measure. Is nothing but it is just a sum of the sum x of the price into the sales units. That's it. Simple. Okay. Now, what my requirement here is that, so I took a matrix table here and I'm just displaying the year, the month, and the total sales. Okay. So the first measure or the first issue statement is that I want to calculate the best selling product sales. Okay. So it means that for the January, whichever is the, this is the total sales. Out of that, something will be there, right? Which product is giving highest sales on the January? That sales figure I want in this matrix. So to simplify that, let me copy paste this matrix one more time here. Okay, let me little bit expand and I will drag the product here. Okay, the product. Let me expand it. So what does it mean is that, let me again little bit expand here also. So if you see this, on the year 2011, for the month of January, this product, which is called the balance sheet template V11, which is having the highest sale, which is called the 271, $270. Whereas in the February, this is the product and the sales is 360. So what I need on this matrix is that without the product name, I need for the January I should get 270, for the February, I should get 360. For the March, I should get 135. So across all the months, which is the best selling product sales. Okay. So this is my requirement. So let me just pull it here and we'll create a measure here. How to get that figure. Okay. So, so the measure name would be best selling product sales, something like that. Okay, so in this case we'll use a max x function, max x. So max x is just like the sum x. Okay, so it is like it will go to the table and row by row it will just calculate and give you the result. So in this case we want the max of product, right, on based on the total sales. So I'll take product table. Okay, then I'll say give me the total sales. So from the product, which are, give me the product for the total sales, which is maximum. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Enter. It's a very simple measure only, and just try this. Now, if you see, compare here, you see, and let me little bit formatting do it. This, yeah. Now it's absolutely correct. See, across January, I'm getting 270 here. Let me put 0 also so that it will be easier. Okay, now if you compare with the this guys, the other measure which I have the product at, if you see the proper result will get it. See, for this, for the month of January, this is the product which have the high sale 270. We are getting 270 here. All right, for the February, this is the product which is having the high sales and the amount is $360, which is we are getting. So across everything we are getting like this. Okay, So this is called the best selling product sales. Alright. Now let's take this is absolutely okay. Now after giving this metric sheet to the customer or your client, he said that okay, it's fine. For the January, this is my total sales, and this is the highest product which is giving the sales the amount. But which product? Okay, is saying yeah, asking that best selling product name means 270 is the highest for that on that month. Okay, but which product did that business or which product did that sales? I need across one more measure I want to calculate here, which will show me the name. In this case, this is the name balance sheet simple V11. In this case, cash modeling course and along with everything. Okay. So you understand now. Let me delete this dummy matrix which I have created and let me expand it and we'll create another measure here. So the measure name would be say best selling product name. Okay. So I want the name. So since I want the first product, right? First product which is having the highest sales. Okay, so it is like top kind of things, like first product, the top product, something like that. If this kind of scenario comes up, right, blindly follow top n top n function. Okay, top n function, what it will take, it will take multiple parameters here. Okay, but I am more interested on what I need the first value. Okay, which is my table. Table would be just I need a single column table of all the products. Okay, I say values of product. That's it. And based on what? Based on my total sales. So this will give you a table of the total sales with the first top one for each and every product who have the total sales. Okay, but now the problem is this is a table we are getting, but from here I want the value, right? I can't print directly this is a table, one table, but from that I want the product name from that. Okay, so what I'll do here is that first non-blank. Okay, first non-blank value, what will it will take it? Yeah, so it will take like the column name, the expression. So return the first value in the column for which the expression has a non-blank value. So here is a non-blank value and I want to get the first non-blank value from here. Okay, got this? Okay, now first non-blank comma I will get 1 here. Okay, that's it, simple. Now just drag this column, drag this measure, magic. Yeah, see, you are getting right. Best selling V11, cash flow, each and every product. So now it is a very interesting measure or interesting metrics happen is that we are getting year wise, month wise, how much the total sales happened and which product is associated as a best product and how much sales for this. Okay, so this is the first analysis you are doing. So now after this, the client is quite happy with you because they know that okay, you are getting a very good thing, right? So now they, because you know the clients, right? They will come up with so many things, right? Now what they required now is that okay, this is my first best selling product and this is my best selling product name, but I want top three best selling product name, and for that how much sales happen, in the sense top three product sales and top three product sales product name associated with that product. So that is the requirement now for me. Okay, let's do that. How to do that? Okay, let me copy this into a new sheet. Okay, and paste it here. So here I will just delete this two, let it the total sale, it will be there. Now I will first calculate the top three the sales, whatever the top three sales will be. Okay, so the measure would be top three prod sales. Last time what we did for the top product sales, we are just taking the max X, and we are just giving the first total sales from the max X, right? But in this case, since we need the top three, first of all, we need a table where it will store the top three. First of all, we need to create a table based on that. Then based on that, I can do a sum X. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, top n, I need a three rows of table. Okay, based on what? Based on my products table. And what is the order by expression here? It will be total sales. So I need a table where it will store top three products based on the total sales. This is my expression. And on top of that, if I do a sum x here, sum x, and sum x need a table, and this is giving me a table. Okay, then what I need to sum, I need to do the sum as total sales. That's it, simple. Okay, okay, now let's commit to the formula and do little bit formatting here and make it 0 and drag this now, top three product sales. So we are getting $6,633. So this is for each month. This is the top three product which is associated for this month, and this is the total sales for them. Okay. Now next requirement is very simple, like the top one product sale we got it. Now I need the top three product name here, like which are the product involved in this case 6333 here. I want the name for that. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So how we'll do it now? This will be little bit tricky now. Okay. So top three product name, product, a top three selling, something like that. Selling, top three selling product name. Okay. Now here again, first of all, we need to create a table of sorry, top n. We need to take top n of three rows of table, of which table? It will be the products table. Then based on what? The total sales. First of all, this is the thing I need. Okay. Now I need the product name. Okay. I need the product name from this table. Okay. So from this table, I need the product name. That's it. Okay. Now, how I will do it? If this kind of scenarios comes up, where you want to product, it is like how many products I want to do? Three products, right? So it is just like a string value. So if this kind of requirement is coming, right? So blindly follow one function in DAX that is called concatenate x, not without x. Okay. So concatenate x, it will take a table, it will take we are giving a table here. Okay, then comma, what I need to display there with the expression, I will say product or the product name. Okay, that's it. Just let's see, and we will simplify this also again. Enter. Okay, now if I drag this top three selling product name, we'll get here. Okay, so we'll get all the three products here. So now the problem is we are getting actually the three products here, but it is one of the product, if you see the balance sheet template V11, and one product is this. But the problem is there is no delimiter, or it is there is no separation is available for on this product name. Okay, so let's try to give a delimiter here. So where you will give the delimiter after the product name in the concatenate, the second parameter is called the delimiter. Okay, so the delimiter I want to say is that if a pipe symbol, let's take in a pipe symbol. First of all, let's do that and enter. So now if you see this product name, now the output. So if you see this, each product, see there is a pipeline here, then there is a pipeline here. Okay, this is okay. Okay, but you given this to the customer saying that okay, the pipe is the delimiter and this is my product name and this is my things. Okay, but you just say no, I don't want like this. I want each product to be separated in each and every row. So for this month, I want one row for first product, second product, third product, something like that. I don't want to do the this one, then bracket delimiter. So in this case, the rescue would be there is a function in DAX called unichar. Okay, so the unichar function, and you put the 10. 10 means the enter in the space or the enter, the next liner, unichar 10. So the delimiter will be the next line. Now enter it. You will get each and every product here on a single line here. See, this is my first product, this is my second product, and this is my third product. Got it? And this is the total sales. Sorry, top three product associated for this sales, and this is my total sales for this month. Sorry, for this month, for this year. Okay, beauty. Okay, but one more thing we want to do it here is that see the order of the table, order of the product here, right? This is coming balance sheet last, then this is last, this is last. So what does it mean? User will be confused. Okay, fine. I understand that these are the three products available, and which is the top three products. But which is the highest one out of this? Okay, I don't know because this would, as per my understanding, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is third one. So the order of the product which you are showing here, right? It should be based on the total sales associated for each product. Okay, and it should be descending order always. Okay, so that the highest selling product out of the top three will come in the first place, then second, then third. So it will be easier to understand by the client as well. Okay, so what I will do for that, again I will go here after the entering the space, right? Another parameter I have here, okay, which is called the order by expression. So the order would be always based on the total sales. So whichever the total sales, it will come first, then there is an order is there. So order is always the descending order. Now this is whatever I've done, this is the completion of this measure. So if you see, this is my first product, this is my second product, and this is my third product. Okay, all right, this is done. Okay, absolutely done. One problem here is that if you scroll down, okay, let's scroll down 12, 13, 13, 13, 13. Yeah, so if you see this, we have the data till August. Okay, so the sales is there in this the model which you are working here, right? It is still there, the data is there till August. After August there is no sales is happening, but these guys are repeating, like somehow it is not giving the data properly. So what you need to do? I don't need actually this data at all. Where there is no sales, I don't want to display the product at all. Okay, so how to simplify this, or how we can delete this? So we'll go here, and whatever the formula we written which is good. So just starting up is that you just put a if condition. If we say is blank of total sales, means wherever there is a uh, there is no sales for the total sales is blank is true, then give me the blank. Okay, else give me this. That's it. Okay, now if you see this now, after the August month or the July month, whatever maybe the data is there, see, after that August there is no data is coming. So this is now a absolute concrete measure which are you're getting it. The same problem is there on this case also, in the best selling product name also. If you see, after August there is no data, but we are just simply showing the product name here also. For that also we need to do that. So here in this case again we will say if uh, if is blank of total sales, then give me blank, else this is the data which I'm showing you. So by doing this, the wherever there is no sales, it will goes out. Okay. So this is a beautiful example where the first we done it like which product are the best selling products, their name and their sales value. Then we did it top three, like these are the top three products for the January month, and this is the total sales for this all three products, right? This is very beautiful, and this is a very interesting scenario where, and this example, whatever I showed you, how to write the DAX, right? You can take it to the real-time example, whatever your data set would be, and it will be really helpful for you. Okay, just go through the video multiple times to see exactly because we use the first non-blank, CONCATENATEX, okay, is blank, blank, all this function we use from the DAX libraries, right? So just go through that, and hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for like the better, interesting and so much better scenario on the Power BI, Power BI DAX, data modeling and Power Query, right? Thank you and bye bye.